So I found this print on I was trying to think of where it was. Is it on here? I don't see it now. Okay. By whoever that is. I thought this would be kind of cool. Oh, I should have printed that one. I don't think I printed that one. I think I printed that one. So apparently there's 3 different ones. So let's see. It's a pen holder. I love it. And so I've got one printing over here on the Neptune, and I've got one printing over here at real reduced speeds. I'm printing them nice and slow, just to be careful. Hopefully I don't run into any temperature problems. I've got the heater going, but I'm almost out of diesel. So I might have to actually run to the store and get diesel. Let's see. I've got okay, right here. So MKS Pi. Oh man, my allergies are just tearing me up. Okay, so I've turned it down. It was set to print at 250. I gotta sneeze again. Alright, I paused the video for that. I've got it like at 30% of 250, so it's hitting speeds of like 75. I turned the acceleration down to 4,000 millimeters a second instead of the default 8,000. And I have a lot of old PETG filament that I got for free, and it doesn't like to print fast, or it gets that funny color to it. So we're trying to use that stuff up. So anyway, hopefully these prints will turn out good. Then I'll see if I can do the other variation of them. So this should be kind of fun to see how it turns out. And normally this would be like a 2-hour print at full speed, so I imagine it's probably going to be like 5, 6, 7 hours or something ridiculous. I have it scaled up to about 60 millimeters tall, so you can kind of get an idea. You can see how high that one already is. So anyway, they both should be the same height. It shows up as like this little tiny file when you upload it, and then you just scale it up to whatever you want. So anyway, we'll see how they turn out.